Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, the 18th of October, 2019. Taking a look at a couple of things. Number one, some classes started their Chapter 2 tests today. Some finished, others not at all. But everybody can be sitting here looking over the review and going back and watching the remediation videos that are with the Big Ideas Math book. It's something that can really help you out over the weekend. In science, there's no homework. Social studies, no homework as well. In language arts, your friendly letter is due Monday by the end of class. If you have not started on it or have not gotten very far, I highly recommend making sure that you get some work done on that this weekend. That way you are not pressed to get it all done in a short amount of time on Monday. In literature, we need to make sure that we are reading 30 to 45 minutes. In CNL, there is no homework, and FCS, you need to continue to bring headphones every single day. It's going to be it for today. Varsity football game at home tonight. Go Warriors, beat the Tigers. And then also tonight, you've got the Ohio State University taking on Northwestern. That's going to be a good game. Everyone have a fantastic weekend. We will see you Monday.